What's going on, guys? Today I'll unbox a €2 special coin that has just arrived from Netherlands. This one is not from Netherlands, but I just bought it there in Netherlands. This one comes from Finland. As you can see, this one is uncirculated. I won't take it out from this plastic protecting bag because this one is uncirculated, and as you know, uncirculated coins worth more than circulated coins. If you want more details about this one, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button so you can see my next video talking about this one. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.